not win one game and okay, relax. No, we won the last game. We need to win again. We need to be a team to be happy when we win. So we need to continue to win.
Pemirsa, kita kembali berjumpa di BRI Super League yang telah memasuki pekan ke-7, di mana kami akan menemani Anda dengan pertandingan antara PSM Makassar berhadapan dengan PSIM Yogyakarta. Kepercayaan diri tinggi sedang meliputi pasukan Bernardo Tavares pasca meraih kemenangan atas raksasa ibu kota. Dan di pekan ini ketika bermain di laga kandang, Juku Eja mencoba untuk melanjutkan cerita positif yang mereka punya.
Aku mau maju tapi tinggal kamu waktu. Assalamualaikum. Waalaikumsalam.
We need to believe that we can do this.
Ini bisa kita lakukan, guys. Ya, di menit-menit awal kita press langsung.
Guys,
ke depan. Lihat ke depan.
Now they already know that you're no play. Now they no play easy match. Easy match. But we play with 11.
Tapi kita masih tetap
We already win games without Irun in last season.
Kita juga sudah pernah
So it's important that we put in our mind that if the things don't happen as we want, there is no excuse.
Kalau misalnya sesuatu berjalan tidak bagus di pertandingan, tidak ada alasan. Mental kuat.
We need to be clever. Guys, all the situation that is important in my opinion is hot, but is hot for the two teams.
Panas, kami untuk kedua tim ini.
Acabou para as duas equipas.
Ya?
So we need to make a good warm up.
Pemanasan yang bagus.
Okay. Guys, make good warm up.
Pemanasan yang baik.
Support your teammates.
Saling support.
Don't sleep on the warm up. If we make
Okay,
good warm up, we can have quality high.
Kalau kita pemanasan
bagus,
bagus,
we a good game.
hasilnya baik. Langsung guys, langsung.
This team run a lot, this team press a lot, so avoid unnecessary fouls, avoid big triggers, especially on the first moments of the game. Try to enjoy the game. See the good things that we make last match. How we create danger last match. How we create danger last match. Speak. How we create danger. Inside, speed. On Pinda, on the space behind the right side here. You remember Carlos left back. Today we can make this guy. We have Victor Detan. Also we have Ricky that can explore this space also. This is why they are playing. So if we don't pick the pass, if Lassi not pick the pass, if Kletsen not pick the pass, if Net not pick the pass, why they are playing? Huh? Understand the game. We need to understand our characteristics. And after, guys, if they are pressing us on BWP side, you already know. Imagine Medina, you go with the fullback, that is offensive Raka, you already know, you are behind. Guys, explore the deep if you have space.
Kalau ada space,
Pindah if you don't have space.
Pindah
versus one. Explore the second post. Medina, Victor.
Medina dan Victor tersedia di situ.
Shoot to the goal. Imagine we shoot to the goal. One quickly for the
rebound.
We win at our win. Try to make us the best team. They win at our win. Let's go with the ball, good position. Okay? Guys, to win this team, we need to be focused.
Harus fokus, guys.
We need to run.
Harus
We need to be aggressive and intense. If they run 12 kilometers and a half,
kalau mereka
we need to run more than that.
Harus lari lebih daripada mereka.
What is more quickly? Me take the ball to Medina or the pass? What is more quickly?
Mana?
So make the pass.
Passing, guys.
Okay, guys, you have 12 days to rest after this match.
12 hari nih,
12 days.
12 hari, guys.
So I want 12 kilometers. 12 kilometers for rest. Come on, it's total different. We finish the game and we feel that we give
Pasti
everything.
beda rasanya kalian berikan segalanya terus kerja
And this is the behavior that we need to feel.
Ini attitude yang kita
That we
mau
give everything. And after, guys, finish the match. They win. They are better than us. Okay.
Habis itu apapun hasilnya,
We need to show
apa?
our best.
Kalian
And this is what I want today, guys.
kalian sama hari ini.
Today we need to see your budget.
Same spirit of the last game, huh? The last game
Yang
was very
sama
good.
seperti pertandingan
Very good. So we need to continue. It's not win one game and okay, relax. No, we won the last game. We need to win again. We need to be a team to be happy when we win. So we need to continue to win. Okay?
Lanjutkan,
Same focus. Guys,
agresif.
Be aggressive, guys. Don't sleep on the first minute until the end. Don't sleep, guys.
Jangan
Okay? Give
tertidur, ya.
everything. Ayo.
Menit pertama sampai akhir.
Ayo baris nih.
Bareng.
Dengan hasil akhir pertandingan telah mensukseskan pertandingan hari ini 25.
Guys, all together, all together.
Ayo, cepat deh, jangan ada pengpisah.
Jadi Makas, aman.
Main